Muhammad Zia-ul-Haq was a Pakistani military general who was the sixth president of Pakistan from 1978 until his airplane crash, death in 1988. Muhammad Zia-ul-Haq remains the country's longest-serving head of state and chief of army staff. Muhammad Zia-ul-Haq was a tank commander in the Second Kashmir War of 1965 against the Indian Army. Muhammad Zia-ul-Haq presided over the Islamization of Pakistan, escalated Pakistan's atomic bomb project, and instituted industrialization and deregulation, significantly improving Pakistan's economy. Muhammad Zia-ul-Haq bolstered ties with China and the United States and emphasized Pakistan's role in the Islamic world. Muhammad Zia-ul-Haq dismissed Junejo's government on charges of economic stagflation and announced general elections in November 1988. Muhammad Zia-ul-Haq was buried at the Faisal Masjid in Islamabad. Muhammad Zia-ul-Haq is praised by Islamists for his desecularization efforts and opposition to Western culture. Muhammad Zia-ul-Haq was born on 12 August 1924 in Jalandhar, Punjab Province, British India. Muhammad Zia-ul-Haq's father, Muhammad Akbar Ali, was an employee in the Army General Headquarters in Delhi. Muhammad Zia-ul-Haq was admitted to the Indian Military Academy at Dehradun, graduating in May 1945, among the last group of officers to be commissioned before the independence of India. Muhammad Zia-ul-Haq was then promoted as Lieutenant General and was appointed commander of the 2nd Strike Corps at Multan in 1975. But the Chief of Air Staff General Zulfikar Ali Khan remains unsupported, while the Chairman Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee, General Muhammad Zia-ul-Haq Sharif, remains neutral, while he silently expressed his support to Prime Minister Zulfikar Bhutto. Zia-ul-Haq stated that the Constitution of Pakistan had not been abrogated but temporarily suspended. Zia-ul-Haq managed to get several amendments passed, most notably the 8th Amendment, which granted reserve powers to the president to dissolve the parliament. Muhammad Zia-ul-Haq successfully took on nuclear India and changed the balance of power that Indira Gandhi created in the 1971 war and broke all rules to acquire nuclear weapons for Pakistan. Zia-ul-Haq's reign helped the conservatives to rise at the national politics against Benazir Bhutto. Zia-ul-Haq is noted as being one of Pakistan's most successful generals, placing the armed forces in charge of the country's affairs. Zia-ul-Haq is cited for promoting the early political career of Nawaz Sharif, who would be thrice elected prime minister. Zia-ul-Haq was very dedicated in preventing the Soviet invasion of Pakistan.